Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're fine and fit. So today we'll be continuing with the same topic. The topic will be problem sums regarding concentric circles. So the question is, there are two concentric circles. If two circles are C1 and C2 and C1 radius is 3 meter and C2 diameter is increased by 2 cm of the diameter of C1, the then find the diameter of both the circles and radius of the second circle. So to make all these types of critical questions, you must always make a rough diagram at the side. So let us make a rough diagram first. As you can see, I have drawn two circles C1 and C2 and a line passing. So first let us name it, then we will be proceeding with the question. Okay, A, B, C, D and O. You can keep any letter means of the center, but usually we keep it as O for any of the diagram, as you have seen also. So what he said, there are two concentric circles. If the two circles are C1 and C2, so we have drawn two concentric circles C1 and C2. It's necessary, means if the diameter of both the circles are written, then you draw straight line, because see, diameter of the second circle is always the straight, it will become straight, so no problem. Then it is if and C1 radius is 3 centimeter, means OC is 3 cm. Okay, and C2 diameter is increased by 2 cm. This one is 2 cm. Okay, what is written? C2 diameter is increased by 2 cm. So 2 cm of whole this, whatever will be this, it will be increased, means this whole will be increased by 2 cm diameter. So here it will be 1 cm and here also 1 cm, sorry, because if we divide this 2 cm by 2, then it will be 1 and 1 on both the side. It's at 2 cm of this diagram it is increased, so 1 cm 1 cm. Okay, how? See, radius is this much. If we increase 3 plus 3 6, then 2, means 1 plus 1 on both the sides. Okay, and it is also said that then find the diameter of both the circle and radius of the second circle. We are told to find this. No need to draw curly brackets, I have drawn for your convenience this, and polar diagram is little becoming, I know, means little bit consecutive or little messy, but for your convenience I have drawn. Okay, this and this, you no need to draw it. Okay, so let us write given and all that. So as you can see that I have written the given part, that there are two circles. You can write concentric circles also, C1 and C2. C1 radius is 3 cm, means OC you can write, which is equal to OC you can write. C2 diameter is increased by 2 cm of the diameter of second circle, this and this, to find C1 diameter and C1 diameter and radius. So solution, we know that directly we write D equals to 2R. So you can give us 1 and 2, like this you can write it. So in the beginning only we have write D equals to 2R. 1 we have mentioned, so no need to write anything at top, already we have mentioned it. D equals to 2 into 3 cm, so 6 cm. Answer at last we will write. Okay, number 2, we know that diameter of C2 is increased, means plus 2 I directly written, you have to write increase by 2 of C1. So D equals to 6 cm plus 2 cm, D equals to 8 cm. Okay, now since in the camera it will be not visible, so I am drawing a line at the side, and what you have to do is that you can continue like this from this part. Here it is coming, and after this D equals to 1, so 2 R will come here, then 8 by 2, which will be equals to 4 centimeter. Therefore C1 radius, radius you can write directly, properly you can mention, then C2 radius we have got as 4 centimeter, and C1 diameter we have got as 6 centimeter, C2 diameter we have got as 8 centimeters. So this is the whole answer. As you can see, I have done it here. It is much complicated, okay, so you have to think and do everything. Sum is complicated, method is very easy if you draw the diagram, rough diagram, and add side. I think this is the toughest question from this this part, concentric circles. In this toughest question only I have taught you everything, how to find the radius and all that. So I think you will not have problem in it. I am sorry for my mistakes which I have done in between the sums, while teaching. Okay, I hope you have understood this sum. If you have any queries, you can inbox me. Thanks for watching my video. Till my next video, bye bye.